Hi, my name is Ahmad Beyh. I am a postdoctoral associate at the Department of Psychiatry at Rutgers University, where I work with Dr. Linden Parkes. In the research project presented here, our goal is to bridge the gap between neuroscientific research and artificial intelligence models used in neuroscience. We focus on recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, which are artificial models consisting of a set of internal nodes that can take a sequence of inputs and generate a sequence of outputs. As such, they are great models to simulate and test cognitive neuroscience data. One fundamental issue with RNNs is that they lack biological features that the brain has. For example, in the brain, sensory modalities are spatially separated. For example, visual information enters the occipital lobe first, whereas auditory information enters the auditory cortex at the sides of the brain first. Similarly, outputs are also separated physically from these inputs in the brain. Also, the brain's internal wiring is not random. However, with RNNs during training, the wiring of the network is left to be random as long as the problem is solved. Therefore, we incorporated those two fundamental neurobiological features into recurrent neural network models, and we dubbed these models biophysical recurrent neural networks, or bioRNNs for short. We trained our models on a variety of cognitive tasks and tested both how they perform the tasks and how their activity looks like during task performance. And we found that bioRNNs better perform these tasks when task demands are highly complex, but also that their activity resembles that of the real brain that we observe in empirical data more so than that of standard RNNs. Our hope is to further develop these models and use them to ask questions in systems neuroscience and neurodevelopment, but additionally to use the models as in silico test beds for what-if questions that we can't ask in the human brain directly. For example, we can use them to perform virtual lesions and ask how either weakening or strengthening certain pathways in these models affect their dynamics and their performance. And the ultimate goal is to use these in the clinical world to help find better treatments for several psychiatric conditions. Thank you.